In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate ClickUp to manage your projects more efficiently. This guide will walk you through some simple steps to help you become more organized and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks in your workflow. First, make sure you are ready to log into your ClickUp account. Open your browser and head straight to the ClickUp website by typing in the URL or simply searching for it on Google. Once there, you will need to log in with your credentials. Take a moment to make sure you've entered your username and password correctly. Now that you're logged in, let's dive into one of the most powerful features ClickUp has to offer: Spaces. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially your project containers, helping you organize everything from extensive projects to daily tasks. To access these, locate the Spaces button on your left-hand navigation bar. Click on Spaces, and you'll see all the projects that have been set up. Browse through them and choose the specific project you'd like to work on today. This is a great time to reflect on your current workload, and selecting a project helps you focus your efforts where they're needed most. Once you've selected a project, it's time to drill down a bit further. You'll be greeted with a list of various tasks within that project. Take a moment to assess which task needs your attention. In ClickUp, tasks are much more than just things to do. They are comprehensive containers for everything related to a single activity, including scheduling and dependencies. Click on the task you want to focus on, bringing up a detailed view of all its attributes on the screen. As you're looking over your task, you'll notice a section labeled Comments. This is where you can add notes, updates, or feedback relevant to the task. Comments are a lifesaver for keeping everyone on the same page and capturing those small yet important details that can easily be forgotten. Don't hesitate to jot down any thoughts, concerns, or questions you might have about the task. Communication is key to any successful project, and using this feature helps create a transparent workflow. And there you have it. You've just completed the process of navigating through ClickUp to enhance your project management skills. You're done, but remember, the beauty of ClickUp lies in its versatility and ability to adapt to your needs. Keep exploring to discover the myriad of tools and options available to truly customize your experience. Throughout your journey with ClickUp, make sure to periodically review and update your tasks and projects to keep everything aligned with your goals. Thanks for joining me today. With these steps, you should be well on your way to mastering project management in ClickUp. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Until next time, happy organizing!